Berkshire Hathaway is not your average company. Sure, it's a multinational conglomerate, but it's also the brainchild of one of the smartest investors of our time, Warren Buffett. Founded in 1839, Berkshire Hathaway started as a textile manufacturing company, but it has since evolved into a behemoth with diverse businesses in various industries. Importance and influence of Berkshire Hathaway. You know, a company is a big deal when its annual shareholder meeting is dubbed Woodstock for capitalists. Berkshire Hathaway is not just a company, it is a symbol of success and wisdom in the investment world. With its impressive track record and the genius mind of Warren Buffett behind it, Berkshire Hathaway has become an influential force shaping not only the financial markets but also the way people view investing. Founding in early years. Long before it became the powerhouse it is today, Berkshire Hathaway had a modest beginning. Originally established as the Valley Falls Company in Rhode Island, it later merged with Berkshire Cotton Manufacturing Company in 1929 to form Berkshire Fine Spinning Associates. The company eventually entered the textile industry, but changing times and fierce competition led to its decline. Transition under Warren Buffett. Enter Warren Buffett. In 1965, Buffett's investment partnership took control of Berkshire Hathaway, foreseeing its potential beyond textiles. He transformed the dying textile business into a holding company, using its cash flow to invest in other companies. Under his leadership, Berkshire Hathaway shifted its focus to acquiring and investing in companies across various industries, ranging from insurance and energy to retail and technology. Key milestones and transformations. Over the years, Berkshire Hathaway has gone through several key milestones and transformations. It acquired iconic companies like Geico, Dairy Queen, and Fruit of the Loom, solidifying its presence in diverse sectors. In 1998, Berkshire Hathaway became the largest shareholder of Coca-Cola, a move that reflected Buffett's long-term investment approach. The company's growth and success have been driven by strategic acquisitions, shrewd investments, and an unwavering commitment to Buffett's investment principles. Warren Buffett's background and early career. Warren Buffett, often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, is the mastermind behind Berkshire Hathaway's success. Born in 1930, Buffett developed an interest in investing at a young age and started his own business ventures as a child. After working under Benjamin Graham, a renowned investor and professor, Buffett honed his skills and developed his investment philosophy. Buffett's investment philosophy and principles. Buffett's investment philosophy is based on the principles of value investing and a long-term perspective. He looks for companies with strong fundamentals, sustainable competitive advantages, and reasonable valuations. Buffett famously said, "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." He believes in investing in businesses he understands and holding onto them for the long haul rather than constantly buying and selling. Impact of Warren Buffett on Berkshire Hathaway's success. It is no exaggeration to say that Buffett's influence on Berkshire Hathaway's success is immeasurable. His exceptional investment skills, business acumen, and disciplined approach have created immense value for the company's shareholders. Buffett's reputation as a wise and conservative investor has attracted countless investors to Berkshire Hathaway, providing the company with a unique advantage in terms of access to capital and opportunities. Overview of Berkshire Hathaway's investment strategy. Berkshire Hathaway's investment strategy can be summarized in one word: diversity. The company has built a portfolio consisting of a wide range of businesses, from insurance giants like Geico and General Re to household names like Duracell and Pampered Chef. Buffett's approach involves targeting companies with strong cash flows, sustainable competitive advantages, and capable management teams. Major holdings and investments. Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio is like a who's who of the corporate world. The company holds significant stakes in well-known companies such as Apple, Bank of America, American Express, and Coca-Cola. It's worth mentioning that Berkshire Hathaway's investments go beyond stocks. It also invests in bonds, real estate, and even whole businesses. Notable successes and failures. While Berkshire Hathaway has had its fair share of successes, including spectacularly profitable investments like Coca-Cola and American Express, it has also experienced its fair share of failures. Notably, Buffett admitted his mistake in acquiring Berkshire Hathaway itself as the textile business dwindled over time. However, he turned that failure into a success by transforming the company into the investment powerhouse it is today. After all, even the Oracle of Omaha is not immune to missteps, but it's how we learn from them that matters. Berkshire Hathaway's approach to acquisitions. Berkshire Hathaway is known for its unique approach to acquisitions, which can be summed up in 3 words: buy and hold. Unlike many other companies that acquire businesses with the intention of restructuring or selling them off, Berkshire Hathaway takes a long-term perspective. They look for businesses that have a strong track record, sustainable competitive advantages, and competent management teams. Once acquired, Berkshire Hathaway allows these businesses to continue operating autonomously, providing them with the necessary resources and support for growth. This approach has proven successful as Berkshire Hathaway has built a diverse portfolio of companies spanning various industries. Key acquisitions and their impact. Over the years, Berkshire Hathaway has made several notable acquisitions that have had a significant impact on the company's success. One of the most significant acquisitions was the purchase of insurance company Geico in 1996. This acquisition not only diversified Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio but also brought in a steady stream of insurance premiums, contributing to the company's financial stability. Another notable acquisition was the purchase of Burlington Northern Santa Fe Corp., one of the largest railroad companies in the United States. This acquisition allowed Berkshire Hathaway to expand its presence in the transportation industry and capitalize on the growing demand for rail transportation. Evaluation of Berkshire Hathaway's acquisition strategy. Berkshire Hathaway's acquisition strategy has been widely praised for its long-term focus and emphasis on quality businesses. By acquiring companies with established brands and strong market positions, Berkshire Hathaway reduces the risk of investing in unproven ventures. Furthermore, their hands-off approach to management allows acquired companies to maintain their existing corporate culture and operational practices, fostering continuity and preserving the value of the acquired businesses. While there have been some acquisitions that face challenges, overall, Berkshire Hathaway's acquisition strategy has delivered impressive results and created significant value for its shareholders. Analysis of Berkshire Hathaway's financial statements. Berkshire Hathaway's financial performance speaks for itself. The company has consistently delivered strong results with steady revenue growth and substantial profitability. Analyzing the company's financial statements reveals impressive figures such as consistent increases in net income, strong cash flows from operating activities, and a robust balance sheet. These financial statements reflect not only the success of Berkshire Hathaway's investment portfolio but also the performance of its operating businesses. Key factors driving financial success. One of the key factors driving Berkshire Hathaway's financial success is its ability to identify undervalued companies and invest in them for the long term. Warren Buffett's legendary investment prowess has played a significant role in the company's success. Additionally, Berkshire Hathaway's diverse portfolio of businesses provides a stable and consistent stream of revenue that helps offset any volatility in the investment portfolio. The company's disciplined approach to capital allocation and its focus on acquiring businesses with sustainable competitive advantages have also contributed to its financial success. Noteworthy milestones and achievements. Berkshire Hathaway has achieved numerous milestones throughout its history. One notable milestone was in 2008 when the company surpassed ExxonMobil to become the largest publicly traded company by market capitalization. This achievement was a testament to the company's growth and the confidence that investors had in its long-term prospects. Berkshire Hathaway's consistent inclusion in the Fortune 500 list and its ranking as one of the most admired companies worldwide are further indications of its recognition and success in the business world. Board structure and composition. Berkshire Hathaway's board of directors consists of a small group of individuals known for their expertise and integrity. The board is composed of individuals with diverse backgrounds and experiences, providing a valuable range of perspectives. Importantly, several members of the board have long-standing relationships with Warren Buffett, bringing continuity and a deep understanding of Berkshire Hathaway's values and philosophy. Warren Buffett's role as CEO and chairman. Warren Buffett has been the face of Berkshire Hathaway for decades. As the company's CEO and chairman, Buffett's leadership style is characterized by his long-term vision and disciplined investment philosophy. He is known for his wit and unique approach to investing, often referring to himself as an impatient long-term investor. Buffett's leadership has been instrumental in shaping Berkshire Hathaway's success, and his annual shareholder letters have become legendary for their wisdom and insights. Berkshire Hathaway's culture and values. One of the defining characteristics of Berkshire Hathaway is its unique culture and values. The company emphasizes trust, integrity, and a long-term perspective in all its operations. Berkshire Hathaway's decentralized management structure allows acquired companies to maintain their independence and continue operating according to their own cultures and values. This approach fosters a sense of loyalty and commitment among employees, contributing to the overall success of the organization. Market trends and industry disruptions. Looking ahead, Berkshire Hathaway will face challenges from evolving market trends and industry disruptions. Technological advancements and changing consumer preferences can create uncertainty and require the company to adapt its investment and acquisition strategies. The rise of e-commerce, renewable energy, and digital disruption are just a few examples of trends that Berkshire Hathaway will need to navigate in the coming years. Evolving strategies for continued success. To maintain its success, Berkshire Hathaway will need to evolve its strategies to capitalize on emerging opportunities and mitigate potential risks. This may involve further diversifying its investment portfolio, exploring new industries, and leveraging its vast network and resources. Berkshire Hathaway's ability to adapt and innovate will be crucial in ensuring its continued success in the ever-changing business landscape. While the future may present challenges, Berkshire Hathaway's solid foundation, proven acquisition strategy, impressive financial performance, and strong leadership bode well for the company's future. With Warren Buffett at the helm and a steadfast commitment to its core values, Berkshire Hathaway is well-positioned to seize new opportunities and overcome obstacles as it continues to build its legacy as one of the most successful companies in the world. In conclusion, Berkshire Hathaway's remarkable growth and enduring success can be attributed to Warren Buffett's visionary leadership, prudent investment strategies, and commitment to long-term value creation. With a diverse portfolio of investments and a track record of exceptional financial performance, Berkshire Hathaway continues to thrive in an ever-changing business landscape. As the company navigates future challenges and opportunities, it remains a symbol of excellence, resilience, and unwavering commitment to shareholder value. Berkshire Hathaway's legacy as a powerhouse in the corporate world is a testament to the enduring impact of strategic vision and disciplined execution. FAQ 1. What is Berkshire Hathaway's primary business? Berkshire Hathaway is primarily an investment holding company with a diverse portfolio of subsidiary businesses and investments across various industries. While it initially started as a textile manufacturing firm, Berkshire Hathaway has grown into a conglomerate with interests in insurance, utilities, manufacturing, retail, and more. 2. Who is Warren Buffett and what is his role in Berkshire Hathaway? Warren Buffett is a legendary investor, business magnate, and philanthropist. He serves as the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway and is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors in history. As the driving force behind Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett is responsible for the company's investment decisions, overall strategy, and long-term vision. 3. How has Berkshire Hathaway performed financially? Berkshire Hathaway has enjoyed remarkable financial success over the years. The company's financial performance is reflected in its consistently strong earnings, substantial increase in net worth, and impressive returns for its shareholders. Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholder letters provide detailed insights into its financial performance and investment activities. 4. What sets Berkshire Hathaway apart from other companies? Berkshire Hathaway's distinctive characteristics include its long-term investment approach, emphasis on acquiring quality businesses, and the exceptional leadership of Warren Buffett. The company's ability to generate substantial returns, its diversified portfolio, and its commitment to preserving shareholder value through ethical practices further differentiate it from other companies in the market.